Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, friends. Today we are taking a detailed look at one of the most talked about budget smartphones of the year, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G. This phone is creating a lot of hype in the market, and many people are calling it one of the best value for money 5G smartphones of 2026. So in this video, let's find out whether the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is really worth buying or not. Starting with the design, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G comes with a very modern and premium look. The phone feels slim in hand, the frame looks stylish, and the back panel has a clean, glossy finish that gives flagship vibes. Even though it is a budget phone, the build quality feels solid and comfortable for daily use. Now let's talk about the display. The Infinix 70 Pro 5G features a large AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, which makes scrolling, gaming, and watching videos extremely smooth. Colors look vibrant, brightness levels are good for outdoor usage, and overall the display quality is one of the biggest highlights of this phone in this price range. In terms of performance, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is powered by a capable 5G processor that handles daily tasks like social media, YouTube, multitasking, and web browsing very easily. For gaming lovers, this phone can run popular games like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Free Fire smoothly on medium to high settings without major lag. This makes it a good option for budget mobile gamers. Coming to the camera, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G offers a high-resolution main camera that performs well in good lighting conditions. Photos look sharp, detailed, and social media ready. The front camera is also decent for selfies and video calls. While it may not beat flagship cameras, it is more than enough for everyday photography and content creation. Battery life is another strong point. The Infinix 70 Pro 5G packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day on normal usage. You also get fast charging support, so you can quickly recharge your phone and get back to work or gaming without waiting too long. On the software side, the phone runs on the latest Android version with Infinix's custom UI. You get many useful features, customization options, and a smooth overall experience. So the big question is the Infinix 70 Pro 5G worth buying? If you are looking for a stylish smartphone with a great display, strong performance, good cameras, and long battery life at a budget price, then yes, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is definitely one of the best 5G phones you can consider in 2026. Thanks for watching Tech Unbox Pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful smartphone reviews like this.